Hello, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Sketchy back with another video. I know, from very long time there are no long videos. You see what I did there? So let's draw something, right? I'm kind of feeling to draw something. Oh, so let me try drawing really soon. Let me take my supplies. Wait. Let me place you here. Hi.
Not this one. Need this. And this. So.
So अभी मैं इसे माउंट करता हूँ इस पे, तो ठीक है, हाँ मिलता है।
So for this project I will be using Brushstroke A5 sketchbook, Staedtler Luna color pencils, Ohuhu alcohol based markers, microns, jumbo monograph 0.5 pencils, a normal eraser, Sakura jelly roll, what do we say, white gel pens. So I will be doing this. That's yeah, this is a piece, the reference basically at the great Ria Creations 27 उनका आइडिया होगा शायद, उनसे उनका ड्राइंग का रेफरेंस है, जाकर चेक कीजिए इंस्टाग्राम पर। तो चलिए स्टार्ट तो करते हैं। मैं ये टाइम लैप्स करूँगा और गाना सुनते सुनते कर दूँगा भाई। आई नो इतना कुछ हूँ बहु तो देखता हूँ। I'll try my best to draw.
Said hello the moment your friend hits your phone. Dying to tell you how I feel before you go. You know that I'm begging you to stay. You know I will let
One eternity later.
you have your way. Hey. Oh, oh, oh. If you had to wait up for me, would you wait? Broke down on the road, would you be my AAA? Stranded on an island, tell me would you stay? Baby, you're my wheels and call me castaway. If I bought you roses, babe, what would you say? If I was here to catch you, would you have the faith? Stranded on an island, tell me would you stay? Baby, you're my wheels and call me castaway. Breathing slow, feeling your hands tied to my arm. Guess it's a dream, 'cause baby, I'm still home. We don't have to go out, I'd rather just hang out, get you one-on-one. We don't have to go out, just want you to know now that you're all I want. You know that I'm begging you to stay. You know I will let you have your way. Hey. Oh, oh, oh. If you are still talking on the phone. Maybe it's time that I should finally let you go. Said hello the moment your friend hit your phone. Dying to tell you how I feel before you go. You know that
So finally भाई कंप्लीट हो चुका है ड्राइंग। तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए पोस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस के साथ। और मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए एंजॉय द वीडियो।